gateways to figure out which one has the least amount of load, and then the one with the least amount of load becomes the next host that the request gets routed to. So load balancer would consistently ping API gateways to figure out the least load, and the gateway with the least load then route the next request there. So that's the role of the load balancer. It will, every time the actor sends a request, it will hit the load balancer, go to the API gateway with the least amount of load defined by CPU, mem, and disk, and then it'll go to the quadtree index, and then finally it'll hit the database with the once it has the index values, and return all of that back to the client. Another thing we can do to reduce the load even more is to add a cache in front of the load balancer. So that way, if the results of the search already exist in the cache, then we don't even need to hit the load balancer. And it would be a quick turnaround that makes this entire system even faster, as well as reduces the load on the back end and improves the speed and resiliency of the service. So this is pretty much how I would implement this sort of proximity service. A few follow-up questions that could be asked would be, how do you rank search results by popularity? Another follow-up question that could be asked is, what happens if the quadtree index is down? And both of these are good questions. The whole idea of redundancy is that by having multiple versions, you will guarantee that it will never be fully down. When one index server goes down, then another one gets spun up, and then traffic will just continuously get routed to the next available quadtree index. If you can rank search results, you would have to create some sort of popularity server that handles how many times an item gets referenced in the last 24 hours. That way you can rank it higher. But those are all valid follow-up questions to this question. So that's it. This is sort of how I would approach the Yelp proximity service system design interview. Also, a Find My Friends, it would also be called a Find My Friends. So if you enjoyed this and you liked proximity services or finding your friends, give me a subscribe, hit me with a like. I appreciate it. It helps the algorithm, yada, yada, yada. Especially do it if you like quadtrees, because I think quadtrees are a sick data structure. But yeah, thanks for watching my videos, and until next time, peace, guys.